Welcome friends. In this session, we discuss polar planes in connection with spheres and the idea of orthogonal spheres. A circle is a plane curve. The intersection of a sphere and a plane is a circle. So, the equation of a sphere and a plane intersecting each other together represent a circle. We know that the circle of intersection of a sphere and a plane through the center of the sphere is called a great circle of the sphere. It is evident that the center and radius of a great circle are the same as those of the sphere. Here we want the idea of the radical spheres that we have already discussed. Smallest sphere through a circle. The smallest sphere through a circle is the sphere through the circle having its center in the plane of the circle. Equations: s plus lambda p is equal to 0 and s plus lambda s dash is equal to 0. If s is equal to 0, s dash is equal to 0 are the equations of two spheres in the standard form, and p is equal to 0 the equation of a plane, then it can be shown that s plus lambda p is equal to 0 where lambda is the parameter, represents a system of intersecting, touching or non-intersecting spheres according as the plane p is equal to 0 intersects, touches or does not intersect the sphere s is equal to 0, and that p is equal to 0 is the radical plane of all the spheres taken 2 by 2, and that s plus lambda s dash is equal to 0 represent a system of intersecting, touching or non-intersecting spheres according as the spheres s is equal to 0, s dash is equal to 0 intersects, touches or do not intersect each other, and that s minus s dash is equal to 0 is the radical plane of all the spheres when taken 2 by 2. Equation of the smallest sphere through a circle. If the equations of a circle are s is equal to 0 and p is equal to 0, the equation of the smallest sphere through the circle is s plus lambda p is equal to 0, where lambda is obtained from the fact that the center of the sphere s is equal to 0 lies on the plane p is equal to 0. Remark: s plus lambda s dash is equal to 0 and s plus lambda into s minus s dash is equal to 0 represent the same family of spheres. In solving problems, it is always advantageous to use the second form rather than the first. Example 1. Show that the plane 2x plus 2y minus z is equal to 12 touches the sphere x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x minus 4y minus 6z plus 5 is equal to 0. Find the point of contact. Solution. Here the center of the sphere C is 1, 2, 3. Radius of the sphere R is 3. The length of the perpendicular P from C to the plane is 3. Let n be the foot of the perpendicular from C to the plane. Since P is equal to R, the plane touches the sphere. The direction ratios of the normal to the plane are 2, 2, minus 1. Therefore, the direction ratios of Cn are 2, 2, minus 1. Now, C is 1, 2, 3. So, n is of the form 1 plus 2k, 2 plus 2k, 3 minus k. Since n lies in the plane, 2 into 1 plus 2k plus 2 into 2 plus 2k minus 3 minus k is equal to 12 implies k is equal to 1. Thus, n is 3, 4, 2, which is the point of contact. Example 2. Find the equations of the planes which pass through the line x minus 4y minus z is equal to 0, x plus z minus 6 is equal to 0 and touch the sphere x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 9. Solution. The equations of the plane are of the form x minus 4y minus z plus lambda into x plus z minus 6 is equal to 0. The length of the perpendicular drawn from the center 0, 0, 0 of the sphere is plus or minus 0 minus 4 into 0 minus 0 plus lambda into 0 plus 0 minus 6 divided by square root of 1 plus lambda whole square plus minus 4 square plus minus 1 plus lambda whole square. This should be equal to the radius 3 of the sphere. Hence, 6 lambda whole square by 1 plus lambda whole square plus 16 plus minus 1 plus lambda whole square is equal to 9. Implies that lambda is equal to plus or minus 3. Thus, the equations of the plate are 2x plus 2y minus z is equal to 9, x plus 2y plus 2z is equal to 9. Polar plate. If a variable line through A meets the given sphere in P and Q and a point R be taken in PQ such that 1 by AP plus 1 by AQ is equal to 2 by AR. That is, AP, AR, AQ are in harmonic progression. See figure 1. Then the locus of R is the polar plate of A is called the pole. Equation of polar plate. Let the equation of variable line through A alpha, beta, gamma and equation of the sphere be x minus alpha by L is equal to y minus beta by M is equal to z minus gamma by N is equal to R, say equation number 1, and x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0, equation number 2. The coordinates of any point on the line 1 are alpha plus LR, beta plus MR, gamma plus NR. The distance of the point of intersection of the line and the sphere are given by the equation alpha plus LR whole square plus beta plus MR whole square plus gamma plus NR whole square plus 2u into alpha plus LR plus 2v into beta plus MR plus 2w into gamma plus NR plus d is equal to 0, or r square plus 2r into L into alpha plus u plus m into beta plus v plus n into gamma plus w plus alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus 2u alpha plus 2v beta plus 2wy plus d is equal to 0, equation number 3. Remembering that L square plus m square plus n square is equal to 1. As this line meets the sphere in P and Q, so the roots of the equation 3 are AP and AQ. Also, 2 by AR is equal to 1 by AP plus 1 by AQ, which is equal to AP plus AQ by AP into AQ, which is equal to sum of the roots of 3 by product of the roots of 3, which is equal to minus 2 into L into alpha plus u plus m into beta plus v plus n into gamma plus w by alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus 2u alpha plus 2v beta plus 2w gamma plus d, or alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus 2u alpha plus 2v beta plus 2w gamma plus d, which is equal to minus 1 into L into AR into alpha plus u plus m into AR into beta plus v into n into AR into gamma plus w, equation number 4. Let R be xyz and its distance from A alpha beta gamma be AR. Then from equation 1 we have x minus alpha is equal to L into AR, y minus beta is equal to m into AR and z minus gamma is equal to n into AR. Hence, from 1 we get alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus 2u alpha plus 2v beta plus 2w gamma plus d is equal to minus into x minus alpha plus y minus beta into beta plus v plus z minus gamma into gamma plus w, or x alpha plus y beta plus z gamma plus u into x plus alpha plus v into y plus beta plus w into z plus gamma plus d is equal to 0. Equation number 5. This is the equation of the locus of R. Hence, from definition, equation 5 represents the equation of the polar of A alpha beta gamma with respect to the sphere 2. The point A alpha beta gamma is called the pole of the plane 5 with respect to the sphere. Pole of a plane. To find pole of a plane, Lx plus my plus nz is equal to p with respect to the sphere x square plus y square plus z square is equal to a square. Let alpha, beta, gamma be the pole of the plane, then the plane Lx plus my plus nz is equal to p should be identical with alpha x plus beta y plus gamma z is equal to a square. Comparing the above equations, we have alpha by L is equal to beta by m is equal to gamma by n is equal to a square by p. Therefore, alpha is equal to a square L by p, beta is equal to a square m by p, gamma is equal to a square n by p. That is, the pole is a square L by p, a square m by p, a square n by p. Propositions on poles and polars. 1. If polar plane of P passes through Q, then polar plane of Q will pass through P. Let the equation of sphere be x square plus y square plus z square is equal to a square. Equation number 6. Let P and Q be x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2 respectively. Polar plane of P x, x1 plus y, y1 plus z, z1 is equal to a square will pass through Q if x1, x2 plus y1, y2 plus z1, z2 is equal to a square. Equation number 7. Similarly, polar plane of Q x, x2 plus y, y2 plus z, z2 is equal to a square will pass through P if x1, x2 plus y1, y2 plus z1, z2 is equal to a square. Equation number 8. Since equations 7 and 8 are same, hence the proposition. Definition. If polar plane of P passes through Q, then P and Q are called conjugate points. If two planes are such that the pole of one lies on the other, then the two planes are called conjugate planes. 2. The polar plane of a point P is perpendicular to the line joining the point to the center of the sphere. Let the equation of sphere be x square plus y square plus z square is equal to a square. Center 0 be 0, 0, 0 and the point P x1, y1, z1. Polar plane of P is x, x1 plus y, y1 plus z, z1 is equal to a2. 3. If polar plane of P meets the line joining the center of sphere O to the point P in Q, then OP into OQ is equal to a square, where a is the radius of the sphere. We have OP is equal to square root of x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square and OQ is equal to perpendicular distance of x x1 plus y y1 plus z z1, which is equal to a square from O, which is equal to a square by square root of x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square. OP into OQ is equal to square root of x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square into a square by square root of x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square. 4. The polar planes of all the points on a line L must pass through another line L dash. Let the line L be x minus alpha by L, which is equal to y minus beta by m, is equal to z minus gamma by n. The polar of any point Lr plus alpha, Mr plus beta, Nr plus gamma into Z is equal to A square, or alpha x plus beta y plus gamma z minus A square plus R into Lx plus My plus Nz is equal to 0. This for all values of R passes through the line alpha x plus beta y plus gamma z is equal to A square, Lx plus My plus Nz is equal to 0. This is the line L dash. Similarly, it can be shown that polar planes of every point on L dash also pass through L, polar line. If two lines L and L dash are such that polar plane of every point passes through the other, then L and L dash are called polar lines. 5. The distance of 2 points from the center of a sphere are perpendicular to the distance of each from the polar plane of the other. Let the sphere be x square plus y square plus z square is equal to a square. Polar planes of P x1 y1 z1 and Q x2 y2 z2 are x x1 plus y y1 plus z z1 is equal to a square, equation number 9, and x x2 plus y y2 plus z z2 is equal to a square, equation number 10. Distance of P from 3 by distance Q from 2 is equal to x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus z1 z2 minus a square by square root of x2 square plus y2 square plus z2 square divided by x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus z1 z2 minus a square by square root of x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square, which is equal to square root of x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square by square root of x2 square plus y2 square plus z2 square, which is equal to OP by OQ, where O 0 0 0 is the center of the sphere. Angle of intersection of two spheres. The angle of intersection of two spheres is the angle between their tangent planes at a common point of intersection. Since the radii of the spheres to the common point are perpendicular to tangent planes at the point, so the angle between the radii of the spheres at the common point is equal to the angle between the tangent planes, that is the angle of intersection of the spheres. Orthogonal spheres. Two spheres are said to cut orthogonally if they intersect each other at right angles. Condition of orthogonality of two spheres. Let the two spheres be x square plus y square plus z square plus 2u1x plus 2v1y plus 2w1z plus d1 is equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus z square plus 2u2x plus 2v2y plus 2w2z plus d2 is equal to 0. The centers C1 and C2 of the two spheres are minus u1 minus v1 minus w1 and minus u2 minus v2 minus w2 respectively, and their radii are square root of u1 square plus v1 square plus w1 square minus d1 and square root of u2 square plus v2 square plus w2 square minus d2. See figure 2. Since the spheres cut orthogonally, so angle C1PC2 will be a right angle where P is the common point of intersection. Therefore, C1P square plus C2P square is equal to C1C2 square, that is u1 square plus v1 square plus w1 square minus d1 plus u2 square plus v2 square plus w2 square minus d2 is equal to u1 minus u2 whole square plus v1 minus v2 whole square plus w1 minus w2 whole square, that is 2u1 u2 plus 2v1 v2 plus 2w1 w2 is equal to d1 plus d2. This is the required condition. Example 3. Find the polar line of x minus 1 by 2 is equal to y minus 2 by 3 is equal to z minus 3 by 4. Equation number 11. With respect to the sphere, x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 16. Equation number 12. Solution. Any point on 11 is 2r plus 1, 3r plus 2, 4r plus 3. Polar plane of this point with respect to 12 is x into 2r plus 1 plus y into 3r plus 2 plus z into 4r plus 3, which is equal to 16. That is x plus 2y plus 3z minus 16 plus r into 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 0. This clearly passes through the line x plus 2y plus 3z minus 16 is equal to 0, 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 0, which is therefore the polar line of 11. Example 4. Find the angle of intersection of these spheres x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x minus 4y minus 6z plus 10 is equal to 0. Equation number 13. And x square plus y square plus z square minus 6x minus 2y plus 2z plus 2 is equal to 0. Equation number 14. Solution. Center of 13 is 1, 2, 3 and its radius is equal to 2, which is equal to r1. Center of 14 is 3, 1, minus 1 and its radius is equal to 3, which is equal to r2. Therefore, distance between the centers is equal to d, which is equal to square root of 21. If theta be the angle of intersection, then d square is equal to r1 square plus r2 square minus 2 r1 r2 cos theta, or cos theta is equal to r1 square plus r2 square minus d square by 2 r1 r2, which is equal to 4 plus 9 minus 21 by 2 into 2 into 3, which is equal to minus 8 by 12, which is equal to minus 2 by 3 for acute angle. Example 5. Find the equation of the sphere that passes through the circle x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus 3y minus 4z plus 6 is equal to 0, 3x minus 4y plus 5z minus 15 is equal to 0 and cuts the sphere x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x plus 4y minus 6z plus 11 is equal to 0 orthogonally. Solution. The equation of sphere through the given circle is x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus 3y minus 4z plus 6 is equal to lambda 3x minus 4y plus 5z minus 15 is equal to 0, or x square plus y square plus z square into 3 lambda minus 2 into x plus 3 minus 4 lambda into y plus 5 lambda minus 4 into z plus 6 minus 15 lambda is equal to 0. The other sphere is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x plus 4y minus 6z plus 11 is equal to 0. The condition for orthogonal intersection of two spheres is 2u1 u2 plus 2v1 v2 plus 2w1 w2 is equal to d1 plus d2. That is 2 into 1 by 2 into 3 lambda minus 2 plus 2 into 1 by 2 into 3 minus 4 lambda into 2 plus 2 into 1 by 2 into 5 lambda minus 4 into minus 3, which is equal to 6 minus 15 lambda plus 11. or lambda is equal to minus 1 by 5. Hence, the equation of required sphere is 5 into x square plus y square plus z square minus 13x plus 19y plus 25z plus 45 is equal to 0. Example 6. If d is the distance between the centers of two spheres of radii r1 and r2, prove that the angle between them is cos inverse r1 square plus r2 square minus d square by 2 r1 r2. Solution. Let spheres intersect at P. Then angle of intersection, that is the angle between the tangents at P, is the angle between the radii of the two spheres joining P. Thus, angle C1 PC2 is equal to theta. Applying cosine formula to triangle C1 PC2, we have d square is equal to r1 square plus r2 square minus 2 r1 r2 cos theta. Therefore, cos theta is equal to r1 square plus r2 square minus d square by 2 r1 r2. Example 7. Show that every sphere through the circle x square plus y square minus 2 alpha x plus r square is equal to 0. Z is equal to 0. Equation number 15. Cuts orthogonally every sphere through the circle x square plus z square is equal to r square, y is equal to 0. Equation number 16. Solution. Any sphere through 15 is x square plus y square plus z square minus 2 alpha x plus r square plus lambda z is equal to 0, and any sphere through 16 is x square plus y square plus z square plus mu y is equal to r square. Now, this will cut orthogonally if minus alpha into 0 plus 0 into 1 by 2 mu plus 0 into 1 by 2 1 is equal to r square minus r square, which is true. Coaxial spheres. If any two members of a system of spheres have the same radical plane, then the system is said to represent coaxial spheres. Let two spheres be S1 is equal to 0 and S2 is equal to 0. Their radical plane will be S1 minus S2 is equal to 0. Thus, S1 plus lambda into S1 minus S2 is equal to 0. Equation number 17 represents a system of spheres which have the same radical plane. 17 can also be written as S1 plus mu S2 is equal to 0. Equation number 18. Thus, 18 is system of coaxial spheres. Corollary. If S is equal to 0 be a sphere and P is equal to 0 be a plane, then S plus lambda P is equal to 0 is a system of coaxial spheres, their radical plane being P is equal to 0. Equation of coaxial system. Let the two spheres be x square plus y square plus z square plus 2u1x plus 2v1y plus 2w1z plus d1 is equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus z square plus 2u2x plus 2v2y plus 2w2z plus d2 is equal to 0. Take the line joining the center as axis of x, then y and z coordinates of their centers become 0. That is, v1 is equal to 0, v2 is equal to 0, w1 equal to 0, w2 is equal to 0. Thus, the equations of the spheres becomes x square plus y square plus z square plus 2u1x plus d1 is equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus z square plus 2u2x plus d2 is equal to 0. The equation of their radical plane is 2 into u1 minus u2x plus d1 minus d2 is equal to 0. Let this be taken as the plane x is equal to 0. Then we have d1 minus d2 is equal to 0. That is, d1 minus d2 is equal to d say. Therefore, the equations of the above spheres now become x square plus y square plus z square plus 2u1x plus d is equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus z square plus 2u2x plus d is equal to 0. The system x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 lambda x plus d is equal to 0. Thus, gives a system of coaxial spheres where 1 is a variable parameter and d is a constant. Limiting points of a coaxial system. The equation of a coaxial system of spheres is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 lambda x plus d is equal to 0. The radius of this sphere is square root of lambda square minus d, where lambda is equal to plus or minus square root of d. The radius of the sphere becomes 0 and thus we get 2 point spheres coinciding with their center minus lambda 0 0, that is minus square root of d 0 0 and square root of d 0 0. These points are called limiting points of the coaxial system. Example 8. Prove that the member of the coaxial system intersect one another, touch one another or do not intersect one another according as d less than or equal to 0. Solution. Let a coaxial system of spheres be given by x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 lambda x plus d is equal to 0. This intersects the radical plane x is equal to 0 in a circle x is equal to 0, y square plus z square plus d is equal to 0. Equation number 19. Radius of this sphere being square root of minus d. Now, the members of the system will intersect one another, touch one another or not intersect one another according as the radius of the circle 19 is positive, 0 or negative. That is according a square root of minus d greater than or equal to or less than 0, that is according a minus d greater than equal to less than 0, that is according a d less than equal to greater than 0. Example 9. Find the limiting points of coaxial system of spheres determined by x square plus y square plus z square plus 3x minus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus z square minus 6y minus 6z plus 6 is equal to 0. Solution. The radical plane of the given spheres is 3x plus 3y plus 6z is equal to 0 or x plus y plus 2z is equal to 0. Hence, the equation to coaxial system be s plus lambda p is equal to 0, that is x square plus y square plus z square plus 3x minus 3y plus 6 plus lambda into x plus y plus 2z is equal to 0 or x square plus y square plus z square plus 3 plus lambda into x minus 3 minus lambda into y plus 2 lambda z plus 6 is equal to 0. The limiting points are the centers of the spheres of coaxial system whose radius is 0, that is square root of 3 plus lambda by 2 whole square plus 3 minus lambda by 2 plus lambda square minus 6 is equal to 0 or square root of 6 lambda square minus 6 by 4 is equal to 0, that is lambda is equal to plus or minus 1. Hence, the coordinates of the center become minus 3 plus lambda by 2, 3 minus lambda by 2 minus lambda or minus 1, 2, 1 and minus 2, 1, minus 1. These are the limiting points of the given system of spheres. Example 10. Prove that every sphere that passes through the limiting points of a coaxial system cuts every sphere of that system orthogonally. Solution. Let the system of coaxial spheres be x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 lambda x plus d is equal to 0. Then limiting points of the system are minus root d 0 0, root d 0 0. Now suppose a sphere x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0, equation number 20, passes through the limiting points. Then d minus 2u root d plus c is equal to 0 and d plus 2u root d plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, u is equal to 0, c is equal to minus d. Therefore, sphere 20 becomes x square plus y square plus z square plus 2vy plus 2wz minus d is equal to 0. The spheres x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 lambda x plus d is equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus z square plus 2vy plus 2wz minus d is equal to 0 obviously cut orthogonally as these satisfy the condition for orthogonality. Now let us summarize the session. In this session, we discussed mainly two equations, the equation of smaller sphere through circle and the equation of polar planes. We have also discussed the orthogonality of spheres and worked out so many problems relating orthogonality. At last, we concluded with the idea of coaxial spheres. Before moving to the next session, please try to answer these questions. Find the equation of the radical axis of the spheres x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x plus 2y plus 2z plus 2 is equal to 0, x square plus y square plus z square plus 4x plus 4z plus 4 is equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus z square plus x plus 6y minus 4z minus 2 is equal to 0. Find the limiting points of coaxial system of spheres x square plus y square plus z square minus 10x plus 30y minus 40z plus 29 plus lambda into 2x minus 3y plus 4z is equal to 0. Prove that the radical planes of three spheres taken 2 by 2 pass through one line. Hope that you have enjoyed the session. We can meet again with another topic. Till then, take care.